Unong ilam kaliang persya Dr. MUKUL sangma menta kasngi ke arp handai teri gurusau ula dawa baka sorkar kam de ban penkelai kamet ne ke principal jongka ain Megalia Residence Safety and Security Act arjar kat nriu hendrai ke de ban PYNTREIKAM SHWA bersepej LADA DONKAM banwan ra ai jing penkelai kane ka ain kebala thau bente lekam iki nong wan rung no bar jelah menta kasngi Dr. MUKUL ulai kendu iki nong ilam ke seng bahalang kebala tip kum ke Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization lani komso halor ke jingkwa jong kiseng bahalang ban pan jingkershan ban penkelai ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act arjar kat nriu ban telekam ke jingwan ki briu banabar SHWA baka sorkar jelakan khode ke jinglang jong barok kiseng sain perthai ban ya theri ke ka an ka sorkar kade ban PYNTREIKAM SHWA no klem pentut shu ya ka MRSSA kam de ban pen slambat bat sapen bej sapen kelah hadien laong Dr. MUKUL habai kran sigelat pathai kubor hadien balawai ke jingi kendu jing kinang ilam ka komso katkum ke jing ong Dr. MUKUL ke inline permit ILP ka kim pelat ke jing mujongka bat kami hab ban PYNTREIKAM kane ke jing kran ka komso bot Dr. MUKUL kamsim lapoi sya kasur kabaya hab namar baka komso lapen bade ban penkelabe ye ke MRSSA namar bakum baka long menta kambiang bat bun ki kendon ki bom hab setia bat bun ki bom don u Dr. MUKUL ulong baki MLA ka kongres kinya kendu biang bat kinong ilam ka komso ban ya keren biang halor kene ka an
actually based on their request to discuss on the issue of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act passed by the Legislative Assembly, which was a outcome of a very exhaustive and long-drawn exercise by the government involving all the stakeholders and the civil society organizations, as you are aware, which was spread over years, with the sole intention to ensure safety and security for the residents of the state and to protect the interests of the people of the state. Now, if you go by the whole mandate of the Principal Act, the Act having been meticulously formatted based on the exhaustive discussion and deliberation, keeping in mind all the concerns of the people in as far as the safety and security of the state and people are concerned. Now, the issue always has been how we insulate our residents from various unforeseen challenges in respect of safety and security. And we, particularly in the northeastern region, have always had the concern about the illegal immigration and influx. Now, the illegal immigration issue is not confined to our nation. It is also an issue across the globe. Discussion revolved around the possibility of further incorporating certain clauses which can give more teeth to the law that has been already passed and which is already notified. After an exhaustive long-run discussion, I have shared with them that it is time now to urge the government to immediately implement the mandate of the law. Proceed ahead. And as we proceed with the implementation of the mandate of this law, any further amendment for improvement or further strengthening the mandate of the law can be always looked at. Every law which is passed is eligible for amendment. Even the Constitution is eligible for amendment. So, having gone through the whole long-run exercise for a long time, involving all the stakeholders, all the civil society organizations, and having looked at the purpose which we want to achieve, we see that this Principal Act can achieve the purpose, the objective. The objective of ensuring that every resident is aware of who is staying in his own neighborhood. Discussion is also on the basis of what is expected as coming. Okay. Now, we were meant to understand that the government wants to engage with all the political parties. Now, when that happens, we will put across our suggestions, and these suggestions will not deviate from what we are saying now, because this is a combination of an exhaustive exercise involving all the stakeholders, keeping in mind all the other aspects. Because when you are looking at any law to be enacted under our given federal system, you have the parliament, you have the state legislature. Now, what is the legislative mandate for the state legislature? Are you proposing legislation which goes beyond the legislative mandate for the state legislature, or you are confining? You have to see all those things. It's important for any legislative exercise to be seen from this perspective. I think they looked at the relevant sections, and since they were discussing, and they have genuine concern, and then our idea is to how to address those genuine concerns, and our discussion ultimately culminated in indicating that those genuine concerns can be covered by the mandate of this Principal Act, because this Principal Act provides relevant provisions under the relevant sections and subsections, and also provides further space through the rules.